Hi everybody, this is Aunt Cheryl. In my video yesterday, I had told you about a package I had gotten from Renegade and about Harshman Hills, and explained that I was getting a package from another channel called Chiefkirk Outdoors. Now, it was a little bit delayed in getting here, and I went ahead and I opened up the package, and I'm glad I did. But I want to tell you first about Chiefkirk Outdoors. Now, I had no idea who this person was. He had emailed me and said that he had wanted to send me a package and asked for my address. Well, I looked into his channel, and he seemed like a really great guy, and I was impressed with his channel. I subscribed to him. I'm very impressed with his videos. I have not been able to watch very many, just a couple of his videos, but from what I've seen so far, this is a really great channel, and y'all need to really go check him out. Now, he's had his channel for about 7 years. He does a lot of stuff, but he does bushcrafting, primitive fire making, camping, hiking, motorcycle, archery. Now I'm getting this from his about page. He is into gospel music, and he actually has a musical ministry, and he was a professional musician. He's also a pilot, and the first videos when he first started were of him flying, and for the past year he's been doing anything primitive fire, fat wood, flint and steel, ferro rod, punk wood, all of that. He does it all, and he's very detailed, you know, really focusing on beginning people that are just getting into, you know, making fire primitive style. And he only has 138 subscribers. He really is worth checking out. Now, as I said, you know, I went and checked out his channel. I subscribed to him. He subscribed to me. He sent me this package. Now, he had sent all the stuff in a zipper bag, including some char cloth. Unfortunately, the char cloth kind of disintegrated a little bit. There are a few chunks in there that are big enough that I can at least get a spark on them, and I am going to use this, but I ended up having to clean everything off, and I put it in a little tin, in one of my tins. Now, he had sent me the char cloth, and he also sent me this steel striker made from a file, okay, which is really cool. I'm impressed with this. And he sent me not one, but 3 pieces of chert. Let's see if I can get those where I can see. And they're very good. They've got some excellent sharp edges on them and stuff that I need to, you know, to make the sparks. So I'm really excited about trying this. We're going to try this as soon as we can. And all of this stuff really fits nicely in my little tin. You know, it fits in there very well. And I'll be able to put some char cloth in there, and I'll be good to go. So he sent me his business card, and he sent me a little note, and he said, "This is a gift. I expect nothing in return. I'm just happy that I can help. Text me if you need any instructions or advice." And like I said, his videos are very, very detailed. I have no doubt I'm going to be able to figure this out very easily. And I've enjoyed what I've learned so far from him. So go check out his channel. Thank you so much for your gift. I greatly appreciate it. And as soon as I've been able to practice with this and learn how to do it, I am going to do a video. Angel and Brandon and is going to learn right alongside with me. So it's, you know, we're we're going to enjoy doing this. All right, you all have a nice day. Talk to you soon. Bye.